Hi, I'm James, and this is a very quick video. We are here on the Dell Inspiron 14 5406 2-in-1 laptop, and what we're just looking at is whether this laptop is capable of running Windows 11 as an upgrade from Windows 10 pre-installed. Now, the chip in this is a 11th gen Intel Core i5, which of course meets the requirements. We can also check under device security, and in here we can see security processor details, and we can see that the TPM module meets specification version 2.0, which means it should meet the requirements no problem for Windows 11. And here we have the Windows 11 22100 beta on a USB flash drive, and by running the installer we can see that we do not get any kickback on this, so it's going to check for updates and a few other bits, which I'll probably skip through. But we will check the PC, accept the license terms, and after an additional check for updates, and we will get one warning on this, which is purely because I have downloaded a English UK ISO for Windows 11. You can check my other video on how to build these ISO images from UUP dump. And so making sure we are ready to install. So here we have that warning about the language. If we hit OK to that, however, we will see here that the machine is ready to install, BitLock will be suspended, and hitting install will begin the install process. So the Dell Inspiron 14 5406 2-in-1 laptop is compatible with upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11, at least based on the currently available information. I hope you found this video useful. Do let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more videos as we post them. Thanks for watching.